Hello children, today we are going to talk about domestic animals. Tell me now, have you seen any animals in your house or your friend's house? Yes? Yes, dog, cat, those animals are called domestic animals. These animals help us in many ways. We keep them at our home as a pet. Now let's see what are those. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a dog. Do you have a dog at your home? Yes? Can you tell me his name? Dog is man's best friend. Dog protects our home. Can you tell me what does your dog eat? Dog likes to eat bone. Can you guess? Yes, this is a cat. Cat is a small and cute pet. Do you know, friends? Cat has greenish eye and cat can see in darkness also. Cat likes to eat fish and milk. Cat is child's best friend. I think you all know this. Have you seen this anywhere? This is cow. Have you seen this at your hometown? Yes? Cow gives us milk, which is very healthy. Cow eats grass and leaves. This is goat. Goat has two horns. Goat gives us milk. Goat also eats grass and leaves. Do you know which animal is this? This is sheep. Have you seen sheep anywhere? Yes? Sheep is very useful animal. It gives us wool, from which we make our winter jackets. Sheep also gives us milk. This is parrot. Parrot is a beautiful and intelligent bird. Parrot can imitate lots of sounds. Parrot can talk to us.